Hey, are you like me? No, I'm not asking if you're a fat, middle-aged scrubber salesman with one sweet truck. What I want to know is, are you sick and tired like me of these cheap, flimsy scrubbers that are air-milled in from Kodiak that don't even last a year, don't clean your floor, and you can't get parts to fix them when they break? Do you wish that America would make a rugged, reliable, durable, value-priced line of cleaning equipment that everyone could afford and you can get parts for the same week you order them? We solved that problem. Welcome to Kodiak. The Kodiak line consists of 4 scrubbers that I've got here with me today. On my right is the K10 Compact and Standard. The K10 Compact and Standard both share 10-gallon tanks, 17 or 20-inch scrub path, traction or pad assist. The Compact has all steel protection up front, whereas the Standard has a more conventional 17 or 20-inch look with the head sticking out front. To my left is a K16, 16-gallon tanks, available in disc and cylindrical scrub decks as well as orbital. And then to the left is the K25, disc, cylindrical, and orbital decks as well, with 25-gallon tanks and a 36-volt battery pack. Feel free to contact us. Our information's below. We'll be happy to come out and demonstrate one of the scrubbers at your facility.